Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a little messy because recently my schedule changed, which means I have to bring my work shoes home instead of leaving them in the locker overnight. It's the same shoes that I reviewed a few weeks ago, and even though I clean them before leaving the building, most days there will still be some wet paint on the bottom by the time I make it to the Jeep. So basically, you're looking at a week's worth of dried primer. I placed one of the pieces of scrap wood that I used to protect the garage floor when lifting the Jeep over the passenger side mat until the new floor mats came in. Whoa. You wore shoes with wet paint all week long, knowing good and well it's going to ruin the Jeep's carpet. For what? Just to get another YouTube video out? I mean, why not just go to Walmart the next day and get some replacement mats? I mean, what are you thinking? Well, not in those exact words, but yes. Okay, it sounds worse than it really is, but I'm confident the paint will come out because I'm going to use the same cleaner from an older video that removes sweat stains from the center console and armrest. I already knew this stuff works great on those surfaces and was pretty sure it would be able to remove the paint with no problem. That's why I decided to order the floor mats instead of buying locally, because I wanted to see the worst case scenario. The first thing I'm going to do is vacuum the floor to remove as much debris as possible. Now that the floor is somewhat clean, I'm going to spot treat the painted areas using the Turtle Wax multi-purpose cleaner. I found that it works best to gently scrub the foam into the carpet using X patterns. You will have to do this a couple of times to get all the paint out, but eventually it won't be noticeable, whether you're trying to keep the original floor mats or replace them. The rubber mats I ordered from Amazon look and feel heavy duty, did not have an odor, and best of all, are made to fit the Commander. You have to cut the rear mats to separate them, but I'm going to leave the front mats as is by not removing the extra rubber tabs, which are really meant to hang on a store display rack. I figure, the more coverage the better. These mats don't move around too much, but I decided to tuck the edge under the door trim to guarantee it won't happen. I'll have to finish cleaning the last few spots off camera before storing the old mats in the garage attic because honestly I'm almost out of foam. But overall it did remove the bulk of the paint in one take, which was better than expected. These floor mats have already been put to good use and will continue to save me a lot of time in the end. Definitely recommended if you're wanting to keep the original mats looking as new as possible. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my Jeep Commander playlist for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.